Hello guys, welcome back to another video where today I'm showing you how to do weird noise I can do. Okay, you make a small hole like that. Anyway, this is what it sounds like. Bree, 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 bree. Here's another sound. Bree, 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 bree. Bree, 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 bree. Bree, bree, bree. You say girl, you make a small, this is what it's look like. Here's the front, here's the back. And you stick your pinky out, or you could go like this. Bree, 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 bree. But I think, watch. Bree, 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 girl, 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 bree, 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 bree. It's like that. And it's easy to make. Well, first it takes some practice, but not that much to do. Bree, 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 bree. Bree, bree.